Welcome to the 5th video in the Ranorex Studio Quick Start series. The previous videos in this series demonstrated how to create a test solution and record an automated test. In this video, you will learn how to execute an automated test and review the test run report. To begin, open the Recording 1 module from the previous video in this series. Notice that there is no step to start the Ranorex Studio demo app. If you try to run your recorded test when the demo app is closed, the test will fail. If you are following along with the videos in this series, the Ranorex Studio demo app should currently be closed. You could open the demo app manually, but why not let Ranorex Studio do this for you? The Rocket Start wizard automatically created modules to start and close the application under test, so let's use those now. Double-click the Start AUT module, then click Run. You should see the demo app open. The test run report appears in the file view with an informational message that the application was opened. Close this report. Now, double-click the Recording 1 module to open it in the file view. Click the Run button and watch Ranorex Studio execute the steps that you recorded earlier. Do not use the keyboard or mouse during the test run. Test execution requires an active window, and using the keyboard or mouse would interfere with the test actions and cause a test failure. A status window appears during the test run. Notice that you can press the pause key to abort the test, and that you can press Shift Pause to skip over delays and timeouts. When the test run finishes, the report opens in a new tab in Ranorex Studio. Scroll down if necessary to review the messages from the test run. Then close the report. Now, open the Close AUT module in the file view and run it to close the demo app. Instead of running the Start AUT, Recording 1, and Close AUT modules individually, you can put them together into a test case. The Rocket Start New Solution wizard has done this for you automatically. Open the test suite in the file view and you will see that there is one test case with setup and teardown regions. The Start AUT and Close AUT modules have been added to these regions for you. Click the Run button to run the entire test suite. The test run report appears in the file view. Click the arrows next to the test case and the recording module for more details about the test run, such as the results of the validation step. In addition to running a test suite from within Ranorex Studio, you can run test suites from the command line. For more information, refer to the Ranorex Studio user guide, which is linked in the video description. This test run was successful. Watch the next video in this series to see how to resolve a test run that has failed.